What's going on, guys? It's Stuart back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin, which is breaking out of a couple different big resistances on the hourly, the 4-hour, the daily, and even the weekly is starting to look up from here. All right, so if that sounds good to you guys, hit that like button down below and also press the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. All right, so let's jump on into the 4-hour chart to start. Now, we were talking about yesterday on stream that we broke down from this original symmetrical triangle that we were looking at here for Bitcoin on this consolidation. Originally, we came back up and got some resistance on it and looking like we were going to move back down. What has Bitcoin done since then? Well, Bitcoin's broken back above, right, our previous support and has not flipped it as resistance, and has also broken this downtrend of resistance that was basically resistance for Bitcoin on the way back down. So that is looking really, really good for Bitcoin to be able to break both of these levels to the upside, okay? Now, what I did want to state real quick on the hourly time frame is we also broke out of a falling wedge. You can see right here, guys, we broke out of this falling wedge, and our target for this falling wedge is 47,375. Now, we do have some resistance at this 382 Fibonacci level. Right here, we had some resistance for BTC, right here. And really coming all the way back, we're getting some resistance at this 382 Fibonacci level. If we can break this 382 Fibonacci level, it looks pretty likely of a retest of 47,375. Now, if you look at the hourly RSI here, guys, we are getting slightly overbought. So what I could see happening here is a move up to 47,375 and then a back test of about 46,600. So if we actually come back down for a back test after we reach our target, don't be surprised, right? We're just cooling down our hourly RSI and allowing us more run to room up. To move up, right? So the hourly, the 4-hour look really freaking good. So I wanted to give a quick update on that. Now, a lot can change, right? If whatever reason Bitcoin can't break this 382 Fibonacci and come back into the wedge, well, then we'll have to take a look at some lower targets on the stream tonight. But as of right now, everything is looking a-okay here for Bitcoin on the 1-hour and 4-hour. Now, what I will say is on the daily, we have also broken back above our daily 200-day SMA, right? Which historically back here wasn't a huge deal, right? We kind of ignored it a lot of the times back here, kind of dumping below it, back up, dumping below it, back up, without really any support or resistance on it. Now, recently, it has acted as pretty nice support resistance. We kind of just been flirting with it for the last week or so. You can see here, we had support, and then we came back up, flipped it as resistance. And then it was sort of our resistance here, but now we have broken back above it. Now we need to confirm it with a daily close, but if we can, that would give us two very, very good things. Actually, three very, very good things. We would have a close back above the 200-day SMA. We would also have a bullish engulfing candle on the daily. And we would also have our daily stock RSI bottomed out, ready to get that momentum back up to the upside. It's been bottomed out for about 5 days now, ready to move back up. So the daily chart, a lot of things looking up here for Bitcoin. Obviously, just like we said with the wedge, look at where this Fibonacci target lines up, right? From our bottom to our top, our 236 Fibonacci is exactly ding, ding, ding. Chicken wings for dinner. Shout out to Crypto Kirby at 47,383. So a lot of confluence at right around that $47,400 level, which could give Bitcoin some initial resistance if we go up to that level. If we can close above that 236 Fibonacci at 47,383, that's going to be an extremely bullish close for Bitcoin, and it's going to get a lot of people excited here going forward. Now, the weekly chart, which I know you guys all want to talk about, the weekly is starting to look really friggin' good as well. Look at this bullish hammer weekly candle that is as printing as of now. Now, it's only Tuesday, right? It's only Tuesday, so we still have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. For some reason I couldn't think of the candles. It's still a little early here, guys. But we are posting that weekly bullish hammer candle. Now, we have the rest of the week, like we said, so we'll see where this ends up. But if Bitcoin can close with a green candle here with a giant wick on the bottom, that's going to look like a very, very bullish candle. Also, a second back test on the wick of our weekly support bands, right? At our 200 SMA and our 20 SMA and our 20 EMA on the weekly. it's going to look like an extremely, extremely bullish candle if we can hold these prices going into the weekly close this week. Okay. The other thing is we took a look at our log fibs yesterday. If we can get it closed, like I said, the weekly close above 47.3, that's going to get us back above our fib levels on our log curve, right? We know that it was our previous support, and then we flipped it as resistance, and then we flipped it as support. We don't want to flip this back as resistance. If we can get back above that, which looks really nice right now, somewhere above, 47,000 we've been talking about this week, weekly is looking extremely good as well. So just want to do a quick update video on Bitcoin. I'm not going to be able to stream this morning. I will be coming out with the second video coming up here shortly. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.